Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making bajia. So I started by adding some flour, regular chapati flour onto a dish. I want to make a paste that I'll dip the potatoes in before frying them. Yeah, it's a pretty direct step. You just add the flour, then you add the coloring paste to color rather, then yeah, so you just want to mix the paste together, the ingredients together until you form a nice paste. Yeah, so once you are satisfied with the consistency of the paste, you just proceed to boil the potatoes. But before I did that, I wanted to show you the thickness of the potatoes. I was using small potatoes, so I just cut them into half. But if you have the large ones, you can cut them 4 times. Yeah, so once you've sliced them, just boil them for 10 minutes, so that 8 to 10 minutes, so that they soften. Yeah, so just boil them with salt. So just cover it until the 10 minutes are done. Yeah, so once the 10 minutes are done, that's how they should look. They should be firm on the outside but tender on the inside. Yeah, so just put some oil in a pan, then you just dip the potatoes in the paste, in the food coloring paste that you formed. Yeah, and fry them. They take about 5 minutes to fry. Yeah, so it's a 15 minutes process together with the boiling. So after frying that, so that's how they should look after frying. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hmm?